Good morning. How the golden toad disappeared. There is not information about how many years ago the golden toad appeared, but it became extinct in 1989. The golden toad inhabited on one only place in the world. It inhabited the Monteverde forest in Costa Rica until the last reported sighting in 1989. An adult golden toad measured between 39 and 56 millimeters from head to tail, and it weighed less than an ounce. The males had a golden orange color and the females were green with scarlet marks. Their skin was glossy and shiny. It is believed that the golden toad fed itself with little invertebrates, and during some moments of the year it lived underground. The golden toad became extinct due to the global warming and the weather changes and the infections caused by a fungus. Thanks.